YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I did it, I really did it. I signed up for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Everything I've been seeing in previews has really been intriguing me. I love my BoxyCharm, so I wanted to sign up for this. Now this is a little bit more expensive. I think this is $25 or $25.99 a month or $26 a month. So let's see if it's worth it. Does it blow my Boxy out of the water? I just unboxed my Boxy, that'll probably go up first, but let's get into my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am super pumped. It's my first one ever. Now let's just get into it. First thing I'm seeing in here is, hey Ipster, get ready to fall deeply in love with your February Glam Bag Plus. So first and foremost, I see a Tarte product. Now that is already pretty cool in itself. Tarte is a very expensive brand. Oh, dream big it says, and this looks like a almost purple palette. I was just gonna buy the ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette, but if this is looking like really on the purple side, it wouldn't really make sense to buy that product. Okay, so it's not like, it's more neutral. It's not like super purple. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It almost reminds me of the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, but much more washed out. That sounds terrible. I'm actually excited to see like if this is a cool. That would be kind of too dark for a highlight for me, that color in Risk Taker. But as you can see, there's a couple mattes, a couple shimmers. It's basically just like a little travel palette. I think this would be fun. There's a matte here to take. I guess I could take this like on a trip, even though there's only 2 matte shades in here. Anyway, super pretty, getting color vibes from a lot of palettes that I already own. Doesn't look anything super spectacular, but it's a really exciting product. I got a Tarte palette for all the rest of the palettes, and it's really cute with the arrows on the front. And how much is this normally? Usually $30 eyeshadows, but I could see how some people would wear that as a highlight, but I mean, it's a goddamn Tarte palette, you know? It's pretty exciting. It's the It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi Your Complexion Perfection palette. It says this is a $42 value. It's new. It looks like I basically just bought this at Ulta. So this is an entire face palette. Look how pretty this like rose gold packaging on the inside is. Now let me just get this open. So I hope this is good for fair tones, because if this has a banging bronzer in it, I'll be pretty pumped because I'm really in search of a nicer bronzer. Wow. This is a pretty nice product to have in an Ipsy. And I've wanted to try It Cosmetics face products for a really long time, so this is pretty cool, if you don't mind me saying so myself. Wow, okay. So it comes with a nice big mirror. We have 4 products. It looks like a blush, 2 highlighters. No, this is matte. What is this for? To like set my under eyes? Seriously? It's Bye Bye Pores pressed powder? What? That is so cool. I am really impressed because I really like the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. I thought this was like supposed to be, but this is the actual Bye Bye Pores pressed powder in here. I use Bye Bye Pores on my brides all the time, so I am excited because having it in a palette makes my life so much easier. And this blush is like a pretty pinky matte blush. It's just very light. This highlight, I mean, it's not gonna be anything to write home about. It's super, super soft. It's like, I like a really intense highlight, so it's probably not something up my alley, but in terms of brides, I could really see me digging this palette. And I will say that bronzer looks pretty nice for me. I can't believe it came with 3 face powders, and wow, it comes with the damn Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. I'm really impressed. I really think that that's a cool thing to do, to put one of your actual best-selling powders in a palette. Why am I so happy about that? Probably because I used the Bye Bye Pores powder. I've hit pan on 2 of them. And carrying it around to like all my different gigs can be pretty frustrating. So palette form is the form to go. Like I said, I've wanted to try like It Cosmetics bronzers and stuff. So that's originally $42, which I can really believe. I'm impressed. I'm impressed by that product. I am impressed. I have been getting one of these in every box and in between. I kind of don't even want to, it's already like kind of open. This actually makes my eyelashes really long. It doesn't really volumize them, but it makes them look long and really pretty, almost feathery. I'm kind of into like the obnoxious eyelash look, but I definitely do like this mascara, so I will use it and I'm excited to have it. I do like it, but I have felt like I've got this in so many subscriptions lately. So next I have a lipstick. It is from the brand called, oh, it pops out of the packaging. It's from the brand of Finding Ferdinand, and it is in the color Nob Hill Red. So this is like a little lipstick and it just looks like a classic red. Wow, that looks really orange on camera. It's really, I'm gonna, seems a little dry. I just put it over. It's like a nice red for me. This is like a red tone that looks really pretty on my skin tone. Granted, I am wearing a color underneath. I need to get back into lipstick. I have not really been, this sounds horrible to say, I'm a hoarder, don't mock me. I think I threw out 200 lipsticks recently, like 200 of these styles of lipstick. So the ones that I kept, I really want to love, I really want to use, and so hopefully this can be one of them. The color's really pretty. I love red lipstick. I really do. I feel naked without red lipstick, to be honest, but I'm wearing it over a liquid lipstick, but I like the smell, but I will definitely test it out more later. Last but not least, we have a product in a really cool box. It is called the LXMI Pure Neolatica Melt Nourishing Balm to Oil. Can you use this on your face? Use overnight as a facial mask. So this seems like something that is to really hydrate dry skin, which means Ipsy really listens to my my profile because I have the driest skin on the planet. It is so bad, you know that. I'm kind of mad though because I just spent $20 on a brand new moisturizer. When if I knew this was coming, I wouldn't have done that. I think I spent it yesterday too. Does it smell good? I'm really intrigued. First of all, it's got a pretty big hole. It's like pretty tough to get out of here. I feel like it's like it's supposed to be like a balm that goes down to an oil. Oh, it looks very moisturizing. It smells kind of just like nothing, or kind of like air. It's a lot thicker than I was expecting. That's probably why the hole is so big, but I can definitely see the shiny areas where it has changed to an oil. So I'm super pumped to try this out because I always need a moisturizer, always. So anything that's oil and anything that's hydrating, A+. That balm to oil is $28. That lipstick is $30. There's always that one product that just feels super inflated, right? And then the Wander Beauty Mascara is $24. All in all, super impressed. I will say that. These are a lot of products that I probably wouldn't even have bought for myself, but I will definitely use, I definitely will enjoy. I will honestly say that this too could be a 9.5 out of 10. I am super impressed with these products. I will test these and there will be a back to the box. Let me know if you want me to do my back to the boxes for BoxyCharm and Ipsy in the same video or in separate videos. Probably the same would make sense if I do quick little reviews about every product, as long as you don't mind my reviews being a little bit longer. But like I said, there is a bit of a void in the unboxing world of people coming back and reviewing their products. So that's why I like to do that. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you have an awesome night.